First and foremost, we have got a gift for all of you today. And what that is a 10-day free trial with the We Coach Crypto trading course and program. So this is going to cost you guys absolutely nothing at all. You're going to get a course that's going to teach you how to get set up on an exchange, how to use the exchange, all the different indicators, how to read market cycles, and so much more, how to place spot trades, how to place stop buy orders, how to keep yourself protected through market corrections. So you're going to gain an amazing skill that's going to help you to trade the markets, but you also get direct access to our alerts group and support group. So you get to copy all of our trade setups. So you'll know what coins we're buying, when we're buying them, when we're selling them. And it's a fantastic opportunity for you guys and costs you absolutely nothing, no obligation. And all the details are in the description below if you want to join. That said, also, if you've got any questions, please leave them in the comments below. We always get back to people, and please give the video a like. Now let's get into this. Asi, how you doing?
I'm good. How are you, bro?
I'm very good, very good. And I'm looking forward to today with this market analysis and TA, because the market's been moving, man. Don't you think?
Yeah, man, absolutely. Bitcoin broke 50K today, and we are looking very bullish. We are looking very bullish.
Fantastic. So we've got some technical analysis on Bitcoin coming up here then from you, Asi. What's she looking like today?
Well, we need to close this daily candle above 50K, and then that's, to me, a confirmation that Bitcoin and crypto is going higher. And in my opinion, our next level of interest, of sellers, is around 58K. Okay, I think Bitcoin might be heading to these levels at the moment. In the next week or two.
Okay. Yeah. Cool.
So, and that,
sorry, so you reckon if we break that level after the candle, we could be seeing sort of a 58K sort of level? Is that the next level of resistance?
Yeah, that's the next major level of resistance I see, like the serious one. If we clear that level, I think we are going to the moon, basically.
That sounds good to me. Let's hope that we can get there, man.
Yeah, definitely. Bitcoin is looking very bullish, and 50K is a very, very important level for investors and big players that are waiting for Bitcoin to break this level. And I think now they're gonna jump in, because a lot of people was waiting for this to be like a dead cat bounce and it's gonna come back down. But now that Bitcoin is breaking higher, it looks much more bullish, even for the most skeptic investor.
So we're pretty much at that final point of saying, right, this is built to be bullish here. If we get through that level, I mean, how high do we need to go above that level really to be safe, do you think?
We just need a full daily candle, above 49,800. To me, it will be bullish. And if we can stay there a couple of days, that will be confirmation for me that we are holding this level. And yeah, we need to hold this level.
Fantastic.
Yes, the weekly chart, you can see the weekly chart of Bitcoin. We have another 2 days to close this candle, but you can see this candle looking bullish. You see we have a nice hammer at the moment. You can see this hammer is pointing, that is going up. We had the previous week was red consolidation, and now we are keep ripping. So Bitcoin looking bullish, man.
Yeah, it's looking good, man. Looking really good.
Yes. So, but let's take it step by step. We're gonna talk about it obviously next week, how things play out, because to the bear case. Obviously, you have to keep in mind the bear case. If Bitcoin suddenly do a fake out and break this level, you can see these trend lines here.
Yeah.
Then that's a sell signal. Okay, that's a big sell signal. We're probably gonna move into cash and wait to buy the dip on Bitcoin and altcoins, because if it's doing a fake out like that, it's probably going to be a big pullback.
Definitely. And one thing that I wanted to ask you as well. Now, obviously, in our trading group, one of the things that you've just recently mentioned is the fact that some of the smaller altcoins that we've got holdings in, it's actually not such a wise idea to potentially hold those right now, based on Bitcoin's current behavior. So, can you share that with people?
Yeah, when Bitcoin dominance is bouncing, you can see, let's look on Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance is now at support. As you can see here, we are now hit support after a big selling week. We have support here and support here. So we can assume that Bitcoin dominance might bounce here. And if Bitcoin dominance is bouncing, the ones that gonna get hurt the most are the small caps. Okay, they are much more volatile and much more weak than the big dogs, like ADA, Solana, Ethereum, So it's much better to exit this position and just flip it to Bitcoin or move into cash in just to protect yourself. Now, this is to people that are all in, okay? If you are all in and you have a lot of small caps, I flip them to Bitcoin just to protect myself. But if you have 50% cash outside of on the account, so no worries, just ignore what I'm saying, okay? You know what I mean?
I'm with you. So it's more so a prevention method to use if you are all in crypto right now, because obviously a lot of people would be, because it's been going crazy. So if they're sat in crypto, this is a better way to help them if they have bought into some of the smaller cap coins that have been, ripping higher. But with this potential bounce, that could really drain a lot of their profits straight out of those small cap coins. So you being able to jump out of those at this stage just to wait it out and either jump in Bitcoin or those stable coins, that's giving you a better opportunity when you know exactly what's happening with the dominance of Bitcoin, right?
Yes.
I'm with you. Great advice. This is the kind of stuff that's invaluable when you join the We Coach Crypto trading group, because how many people know this stuff? It's your new person that's come along that's trying to trade. They're not going to know things like this. They're going to get wrecked every time, and that's the problem, I think, that most people have. It's that lack of education, and when you start learning about things like this, you can really improve the way that your trading portfolio is going to start moving upwards with profit.
Absolutely, man. The Bitcoin dominance chart is a diamond.
Certainly is, man. Certainly is. So what else have you been looking at that's looking good to you?
All right. So by the way, you can see Bitcoin dominance was dropping in the last couple of days. That was amazing altcoin run we had here. Really nice altcoin run. Now let's look on the coins that was running. First of all, Ethereum. Ethereum had a very big breakout this week. You can see we were consolidating here for multiple days. We've been watching it in the trading group, obviously, and we bought it here. We just bought it here just before it broke bullish on the dollar chart. We bought it, and we are technically now up 20% on a big bag, okay, of Ethereum. So that's a big gain. That's big gains.
Yeah.
Spot trading, no leverage, no nothing. Now Ethereum is basically leading the altcoins when it's going up, and it's pushing the Bitcoin dominance down because it's a very large dog. All right. So Ethereum, the next target, you can see we already hit 4K. Now we might get some resistance here. We might see a pullback from these levels. We can see a pullback, but if it can manage to just go through it, man, holy cow, man. That's a new all-time high breakout, and it can explode, man. It can really, really explode, Ethereum. It's a monster,
Definitely. Completely agree with you. I think it's more just a matter of time, isn't it, really? It's like, it might pull back a bit, it might chop around a bit. We might have a 40% correction, but at some point, these things are going to continue to go higher. In my opinion, you can't go wrong with projects like Ethereum, man.
Oh yeah, Ethereum and Bitcoin, at this stage of the market, I think every crypto investor or trader should have a core position of like at least 20% capital in Bitcoin and Ethereum. All right, the rest of the capital just play with altcoins to make more Bitcoin or Ethereum. But you gotta have these long terms hodls, because they are they are the gems of the they are the what moving the market. Only Bitcoin and Ethereum.
Without a doubt, man. Completely agree. But yeah, that candle's huge, man. I mean, that's, like you said, 20% on that, and I mean, it's not stopped yet, has it? We've just had a little bit of resistance.
Yeah. I think we're gonna see some consolidation here or a pullback, but we hold in Ethereum. We no worries. We know it's going to go to higher. It's gonna go probably to 10K
Exactly.
this cycle, maybe even 20K. Now I wanted to show you something on Ethereum. Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin volume today, so that's always a good sign. So you can see Ethereum volume is higher. So when Ethereum volume is higher, you're pretty much in an altcoin season, okay?
Yeah.
But this altcoin season now, what you see right now is a different altcoin season. It's not like everything flies altcoin season. Only a selected group of coins are pumping, and you wanna know which ones are pumping, because most coins are actually not pumping so much. They're just going sideways or down. Only some coins are pumping. So if you're newbie, you have pretty much 90% chance that you will miss out on the coins that are moving. You know what I mean?
That's really important what you've just mentioned there, man, because people that haven't got that understanding of how these groups actually move and how to identify that they are moving, because you can look on the market caps and look at the way that the prices are moving, but 9 times out of 10, before you've even bought it, it's already moved a lot of the percentage that you've missed out on. Whereas if you can capture these things by understanding the charts and being with people that can understand these things and put that information across to you, that's when you start making serious profits. But it's the time that you spend in the market too. It's that experience that you gain. But you're completely right with what you're saying. 100% Asi.
Yeah. So Ethereum is looking amazing, and it's signaling that the bull market is going to continue for altcoins and Bitcoin. And now let's look on the best performer of the week today, this week, and pretty much the best performer of the month is Solana. Solana is going completely bananas. You see, Solana volume today is 5 billion, man. It's 5 billion. It's almost flipping the Bitcoin volume. It's like,
that's crazy.
It's getting very big, and you can see the market cap is 40 billion. It's already flipped Dogecoin, and it's probably going to flip XRP soon. You can compare it to XRP. With all the respect to XRP. So Solana, amazing coin. it just keeps ripping and ripping, man. Keeps ripping and ripping, and really, if you have Solana, if you're watching this video and you hold Solana and you think, when should I sell, when should I buy, just hodl it, man. Just hodl a core position till the end of the cycle and just take profits along the way. That's how we play it.
That's it, man. That's the one. But that's just an insane increase. I mean, what are we looking at there, sort of short term and longer term, the percentages?
You mean from here, from that level? So yeah, I didn't bought the dip. I actually was buying Solana here on the breakout here around $100, around $100. So I book in like almost 50% move. But if you bought that dip at $20, man, that's more than 5x already on a large cap project.
It's amazing. Yeah, I mean, for our long-term stuff, I got into this one back when it was $11 in February. So we've seen a ridiculous rise in it, but I don't think it's anywhere near finished. I think it's going way higher, this project. It's just gone nuts.
Yeah, it's one of these coins that can go exponentially, like Ethereum went in 2017. Because it's actually have a use case and things are building on it, and this one also have NFTs, and they're very, very strong coin and project. So they might see exponential growth. Who knows, man? Maybe they will 10x from here. They can 10x till the end of the cycle. They can even more than that.
Yeah, that sounds good to me. I'm happy with the 10x from here.
Yeah, I don't see any reason why not, man.
Yeah, no, I mean, what you said's right there. There is a use case for it already. It's already in place. They're doing NFTs. NFTs are exploding right now. It's one of the fastest blockchains on the planet. It solves a problem, and it solves that problem better than most of its competitors. So it's a no-brainer to me that this thing's not going to just continue to be a monster. You know, I mean, I'm looking at that, and yeah, of course, you know, that's taken off like a rocket, but it's still early days for Solana. You know, it's got so much more room for growth.
Yeah, absolutely. I think we're going to see, you can see the candles are getting bigger here. The daily candles in the last week, you can see the daily candles become much bigger than these ones. So once you see a big daily candle, I'm talking to you like 1D candle that is like 50% gains, or massive candle. Something like a big candle on Solana, that's your sell signal. Okay, that's your sell signal, because it's probably going to top out. And you want to buy cheaper. So let's say you take your profits here on a 10x. You take your profit here on a 10x or 6x, whatever. Then it crashes 50%, and then you buy 12x the Solana you owned. You know what I mean? Or 2x the Solana you owned. That's the style of swing trading, and that a lot of people don't understand. And if you are a hodler, you will never capitalize on this opportunity or speculation.
Of course, man. Of course. It's buy the dip, sell the top, rinse and repeat. Just keep doing it. Compound, grow and grow and grow and grow. And when you get into opportunities like this, it doesn't take you long to start accruing decent profits, man. It's crazy. Love that. Top coin, great coin. So, anything else that you wanted to mention?
Solana. Another good coin to put on your radar is FTT. FTT is a good coin that we bought. We actually bought it here at $55 area. We booked 25% gains already. And it just broke its all-time high on the dollar. Okay, so this is very bullish. You can see the volume breakout. It's insane.
Yeah.
Look on the daily here. Very big increase of volume. That means interest. People are buying it. Whales, not like retail. Whales are scooping. And it's also broke out on the BTC chart. Okay, so it's a double all-time high breakout.
Ooh, yeah.
So that's what you want to buy. That's where you want to park your money, in a double all-time high breakout. That's why Solana went parabolic like hell, because it broke also on the Bitcoin and on the dollar.
Yeah, and that's important to highlight as well. So a lot of people, they don't even realize that you need to be looking at multiple sets of charts to get the information that you need as to where you should be potentially putting your investment. So why is it so important when it breaks both, Asi?
Oh, because it gives you more confluence that the coin is super strong, because a coin can break out on the dollar, but it can go down versus Bitcoin. All right. So what does it mean? It means that Bitcoin is outperforming your coin. So it's better to hold in Bitcoin. So you always, when you trade altcoins, you always want to look at least on two options, also on the dollar and also on versus the Bitcoin chart.
Yeah, nailed it. This is the kind of information, guys, when you join the trading group, it's vital to know this kind of thing. If you're thinking of trading yourself, you've got to know about this kind of stuff, because you can get caught out very easily thinking, oh, wow, this is breaking out, but not realizing actually, no, it's going to go down in value because Bitcoin's outperforming it and dragging all of that profit away from that altcoin.
Oh, another coin that is part of the Solana ecosystem that we nailed this week is AR. Yeah. We bought it here. We bought it here at this breakout. You can see it was consolidating. Boom, we bought that breakout at $34, and it's actually we nailed the double in less than a week. All right,
beautiful
double, and it's now consolidating. I think it can go higher, but if it breaks below this level, the 55, I'm probably gonna cash out completely. But at the moment, I think it might consolidate and go higher. So I'm definitely gonna add if it breaks higher.
Beautiful.
So yeah, so we have this one and another one I have to share also. Another good trade was Ray. Ray is also a part of the Solana ecosystem, and we bought it. Where was it? I think it was $11 or something like that, or here, or
it might
$9.
have been slightly lower. I think it was
$9. So yeah, $9. We bought that breakout. You can see here, and we actually had a target stacked all the way to 17. It hits almost all our target. We still have a bag, and we're probably gonna add more if it's going higher.
Yeah, if it breaks out. So the trading group has been absolutely smashing it. Absolutely smashing it. I mean, look how many trades you've just shown now, and they are just in the last week or two.
Yeah.
And there's plenty more to come. That's what I'm looking forward to. This is why people look, guys. If you're trading the markets, you already know there is serious money to be made in these markets. Okay, but if this is something that you want to get involved in, work with the right people, then you should definitely go and check out our WeCoach Crypto trading program. You get the course. It's completely free for your first 10 days, 10-day free trial, and you get to come in the group and copy all of the trades that we are making. Guys, it's a no-brainer to me. You get a course for nothing. It doesn't cost you anything. So you're going to learn all of these different skills. Okay, guys? Literally, all you've got to do is click the link in the description, get yourselves signed up, and start making money and learning a brand new skill that's going to be fantastic for you.
Bro, just to clarify a few things, we've been trading for the last 4 years, collecting data and information and knowledge through experientially trading the markets. And this course that you're going to get for free now, bro, if you're listening, it's all the last 5 years, all the knowledge I have in my brain. You get it for free in a short, simple, to the point course, and you get it for free. So yeah, if I were you, I would definitely subscribe and just grab the course and just have a look on the course, man. It's absolutely brilliant.
Exactly. And the numbers don't lie. We've just shown a handful of the trades that we've been making in the last couple of weeks. This bull market, it just creates huge opportunities. And you've been doing this for years. I've been in this market for years. As a collective, you've got a support group there. You've got the course. You've got the trade setups. You copy exactly what we're doing. You're going to make money off it. It's that simple. And it's not costing you anything at all. What have you got to lose? 10 days. Come and give it a go. If you're not happy, you can cancel. It's that simple. And you won't be charged anything at all. But you should definitely come just for the knowledge alone. And I'm sure once you place a couple of trades, you want to stick with us anyway, because we know what we're doing. But Asi, pleasure as always, my brother. Love the technical analysis. And I'm looking forward to us catching up next week, doing it again, showing these people what we're capable of. And to any of you guys that want to sign up, like I said, the link is in the description. Just go and click it, get your 10-day free trial, get yourself signed up, start making some money in this marketplace. Catch up with you all in the next one. Take care. Just end.